Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how easy it is to change or edit your Chalkboard Graduation Party invitation with us. So let's begin. First, to personalize this design, all that you'll want to do is click on that big blue Personalize This Design button. It'll bring a pop-up showing all of the information that's able to be easily edited. Erase the pre-filled text and replace it with your own. Once you have finished personalize this design, you can select Done to add it to your cart, or you can click on the Edit Using Design Tool button. This will bring you up to the designer page. Now, with this invitation, all that you would be able to change is the text colors. So you can select any of the text that you want to change. Like maybe Melissa doesn't like the color yellow and she wants it to be pink because she's a girly girl. And you can either select this pre-filled pink, or you can select a custom color picker, and then you can move the sliders around until you get the color that is just right for you. Once you're done making your changes, select the word Done at the top right hand side of your screen. It's going to ask you if you would like to save your design. And what this really means is if you are not signed into your account with Zazzle, you can sign in here. Or you can select Maybe Later, and it will take you back to the product page. Now you can select the quantity of invitations that you would like to add to your cart, and then click the yellow Add to Cart button. A new pop-up will show saying that it was added to your cart. From here, you can click the new yellow View Cart and Checkout button to proceed with the checkout process. I hope that this tutorial helped with editing your invitations with us. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you right away. In the meantime, if you wouldn't mind taking just 1 second of your time to like this video or subscribe to my channel, I would truly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day.